What's up? Welcome back to Japan. Today's video, it's a beautiful Saturday afternoon here. Got some of the cars out today. We're on a beautiful island. You can see there's Miyagi Island this way and Hamahige this way. I cannot quite remember the name of this island right now. It is escaping me. It's beautiful nonetheless. Waiting on a few other cars to get here. Some sick stuff showed up. Check out the RX-7, the FD with the nasty JZX 100. Straight pipe, sounds really good. Beautiful cars today, man. And this is exactly what R34 spoilers are meant for.
That's literally why I got one.
That's awesome. So on this beautiful day, we got some seriously nice cars that showed up. There's not everybody's here yet, but I figured we might as well get started. So I popped the hood for people who haven't seen my car in real life. So if you're new to the channel, there's my engine bay from my R33 GTR. But check out, ooh, Fozzie. Loving this FD. This RX-7 looks super nice. Pretty unique looking body kit. Nice wheels. It's a night racer, you said? Night racer wing? Night sport. I can't remember that. This is a night sport wing. I'm really digging the black on black combo. The blade with the wheels looks good. Hey, it looks kind of familiar. My blade with my wheels. But check out the carbon fiber accents. Really nice touch. Beautiful. You got the Momo detachable steering wheel. White face gauges. Aftermarket shift knob. It's a really clean car. Oh yes, the Hondas are here. About fucking time. They don't ever get enough. They're never in my videos enough. I can never get them in one place. Oh, nice. So check out this JZX 100. Sitting on some Works here guys. Look at the gigantic front mount. Custom plate. Oh man, I just love this car. So I'm sure you guys heard from the video, this thing sounds so gnarly. It is straight piped. Check how comfy the seats are inside though. He's really enjoying life. Look, gigantic shifter, tons of Defi gauges, Momo wheel, carbon fiber accents inside. It's a really nice car. He just got it recently and he's already put in a lot of work to it. Really good looking car. Check out Gio's R34 GTT, rocking the ABS wheels. I just caught him eating food using his wing as a table and I thought that was just hilarious. These cars are growing on me. At first I was not a huge fan of the GTTs, but the more I see them, the more I love them. Got a carbon fiber B-pillar. Man, and probably the most unique car here is this custom pink Celsior. It is a Lexus, I think it's a GS430 in the States. It's a big body car. It is on bags. He's just not aired out right now. He's about to get it painted. He's going jet black. It's gonna be awesome. Man, that's a good looking car, man. VIP style for sure. Rocking the blue GCA with gold wheels. I just think I need to add one of these to the family. What do you guys think? I want a GC8. Momo wheels. So even though these cars are 25 years old, they're very well taken care of, and they just look so much newer than they actually are. And it looks like he might be straight pipe too. These things are loud. This random Japanese, was it a Copen? Parked up here, got the Ferrari badges. This dude means business. He happened to be here and we just parked around him. That's funny though. Ferrari Copen. No telling what you'll find out here in Japan. But we have another R34 GTT in black with a super unique wing on it. It does have a sunroof. Oh my goodness, this car is beautiful. Check out the shift boot. That's pretty sweet. Get some carbon fiber wrap accents. Man, I just wish my car was newer. These, 99s and 2000s, 2001s are a lot newer than my car, a lot nicer. Whew. Good looking car. Aftermarket exhaust. It is chick driven, so that's pretty sweet. I don't see a whole lot of Skylines that are driven by chicks out here. But Lance's absolutely immaculate. Still 80, fresh paint job. Got the dark purple. Hey, what's the actual name of this purple? It is Midnight Purple? Okay, so this is LP2 Midnight Purple 1 from the R33 GTR. And it looks great. Got the Koki tails. Got a full kit on it. I just love these 180x quarter glasses. I know it's stock on the cars, but they look great with it. He's always taking care of this thing. This dude takes takes care of this car so much. Yeah, you got a girlfriend, man?
What's up?
You got a girlfriend? He said it's complicated. He's in an entanglement. But check out the Nardi wheel. You got the yeah. Yeah, pop the hood. Pop the hood. What you doing? Are you popping the trunk? The hatch, the hood and hatch trunk?
Yeah. Do it all for you. Just for some memories, Noki.
Heck yeah. Oh, we went audio.
No, I have everybody sign my.
Oh, that is sick.
Yeah.
Oh man.
I'm gonna have everybody sign it so whenever I leave Okinawa,
That is awesome, dude.
Yeah.
So
it's turned out like trash over there. But,
no, listen, no, it's fine, dude.
But yeah,
Got some nostalgia, man. That's awesome, dude.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. It was like a $50 project.
No, it's definitely worth it, especially when you leave here.
Yeah, definitely.
Let's check out the. Hey, what boost gauge is that?
It's just an odometer from.
Oh, odometer from Up Garage boost gauge. Yeah, the Crown Wagon. He didn't give a shit. Got the. Is that also an Alltech catch can?
That's a GK Tech impulse bike. Don't know what that is.
Okay.
Yeah, don't mind my janky wiring right
You're
here.
good. I'll try
I was
to show it.
attempting to see if my underglow still works.
Oh, gotcha.
But it doesn't, so I'm just gonna rip it all out.
Oh,
Anyways.
nice. So he's got the purple valve cover on the SR20. This is a red blacktop.
This is a blacktop.
So blacktop SR20.
96.
So it's made after 93. So turned into blacktop 91. What year was it? 93.
93 or 94 they came out with or stopped doing the red tops because 94 through 96 to 98 were the black top SRs.
Okay. Gotcha. So check out the Gretty blow-off valve. Signature, the noise you gotta have. Oh my goodness, it's still 80 front. This car looks absolutely amazing. No, but some it's got plenty of love. And finally got some Hondas out here. I've been missing some Type R action. We have the EK Civic Type R. Oh, we got fresh red badges on there too. So these Honda red badges are notorious for fading, but it looks like he's taking the initiative, put a new one on there. It looks fantastic. Got all the badges look like the brand new. Red Recaros. Oh man, I love that wheel, the red H. These freaking cars are so awesome. They do not get enough appreciation. These cars are super rare out here in Japan. I say it every time I see one. Average. Yeah, right. Clearly above average. That's such a sweet car. Absolutely love these EK Civic hatches. But cannot forget the DC2 Integra Type R. Man, there's some Volk wheels on it. That is a really clean car. These cars just look so good. I've had 3 DC2 Integras. I've always wanted the Type R. At least I wanted the Jdm headlights, but I Never could pull the trigger back when I had one. I was really broke. So I was saving up and ended up went turbo and all kinds of stuff. Check out the carbon fiber lip. His headlights are immaculate. His badge looks just as good as the other one. God, man, this car's beautiful. So he's got one Bride, one Recaro, rocking the true JDM style. Aftermarket Momo wheel. Really, really awesome car, man. Clean inside and out. Beautiful. Oh, we have one more sneaking up on us. Check out this Soar. Some really nice wheels on it. My goodness. Man. I think the Soar wins the award for the coolest emblem in JDM land. Really nice looking car. Got the sunroof. Riding a little bit more luxury than I am. Nice big plush seats. So he's got a Vertex wheel. Woo! Some money right there. Solid car, man. Good stuff. Love those wheels. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. We got all these cars here. We're all gonna do some roller shots. The next video is gonna be me, how I do my rollers, along with a very special photographer we have here today. He's killing it out here in Okinawa. If you've been watching Import Nations, you've seen his work. Freaking sick. I can't wait for that video. So like, comment, as always. I'll see you next time.